to zip it.
Why? Where are you going?
To Philippines.
Why you go Philippines?
Mama, zip it this. You zip it.
Where are you going?
In Philippines.
Bakit? What happened?
My dad was so mad.
You're so mad. Why you so mad?
Mama, you get your luggage.
I'll get my luggage also. But we don't have ticket.
We go to the airport.
We go in the airport?
Mom, let's go. You get your luggage.
Wala tayong ticket. We cannot go home without ticket.
Mama, I'll go.
Saan tayo sasakay?
Mommy, come on.
Huh?
Kunin mo yung luggage mo.
Asan ba?
Andito. Here. You get all our luggage. We get it all.
All. But we don't have ticket. Paano tayo alis?
Mama, pwede na.
Ha?
We go home.
Sino ba susundo sa atin?
Si Tatay po.
Sa Tatay Bong. Eh kung dadalhin mo lahat ng luggage, hindi kakasya sa tricycle ni Tatay Bong yan.
Si Lolo.
Si Lolo, di rin kakasya sa tricycle ni Lolo.
Kaninong Jessie.
Kay Ninong Jessie. Eh, busy si Ninong Jessie ngayon.
We go na home in Philippines.
Bakit ba?
I'll hold the handle.
Hmm.
We go now leaving.
We're leaving.
Yeah.
Okay. O, tara. Paano tayo pupuntang airport? Saan tayo sasakay?
Sa kotse ni Papa.
Oh. Oh, paano kaya? Hatid ka ba ni Daddy? Tanungin mo, hatid ka ng Papa mo.
Sabi mo,
Ikaw na magsabi, ah.
ikaw.
Bakit?
Gusto ko ikaw.
Ikaw na. Tara na.